Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to enable or turn on the dark theme on your Chromebook device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all I have to do is open up the launcher, and you want to type in accent. Best result, you're going to back up accent color. Go ahead and select that. And then scrolling down, there should be an item that says light, dark, or auto. Go ahead and just select dark, and that's what you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.